Well, it could be for a long time. It's about half.
That's a piece of soap right there.
Let's do it now.
Oh my gosh! Ah, that's in the eyes! Ow!
I want to feel it. Oh, feel it now. It feels real strange. Ow.
Standing still. Oh.
So keep cooking it. Let me feel it.
Wait, are you gonna?
Let me feel it.
Are you keep cooking it?
So keep cooking it. Yeah. Keep cooking.
That's going off. That cone is going up there.
What? Yeah, we killed the microwave. Look at the fuse in the room now. Oh,
No.
Still open my door.
If it sets the fire alarm off, what are we gonna say? We were going to be stuck.
we would be really bad.
We're definitely going to find big time.
They'd be like, what the fuck is that in your microwave?
What would you? Oh my gosh, I have this. Oh, what's going on? Oh! No.
It's a sea. Oh, it looks like a monster. It's a raisin eye. Oh, you can't see it.
You can take the plate out.
No, that's weird.
I feel that.
Put a ginger head. I've only got one.
Oh, look, it looks like a shower.
Let's see that. It's so solid if you need it.
Oh, great.
That'd be. If it does, can we put it on the wall?